Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Now I am working on raffle gifts for my toy drive, and what I mean by raffle gifts is everybody that brings a toy into the toy drive when they come visit, they get a raffle ticket and they are eligible to win prizes. So I have gift cards, I have all kinds of stuff planned for them. But one of the things I would definitely want to do was this lottery ticket bucket. And I'm like, oh my gosh, let me share this with you guys, because this is a great way to make a gift at any denomination you want. You can make it on a smaller scale, you can make it on a bigger scale, you can do something like this similar, completely up to you, and it turns out to be an adorable Christmas gift, birthday gift. You can use it for anniversary, whatever that may be. So it has multiple uses, just not for Christmas. You can definitely use it for other holidays as well. Now, if you are not following me on Instagram, you definitely should. Coupons for Charity, the link to follow me on Instagram will be in the description box. Don't forget, I have 2 amazing giveaways going on. I have my coupon kit, which has a coupon binder, coupon planner, coupon accessories, and a tablet in there. So if you guys have not entered to win, I will link that at the end of the video. Definitely click on that and enter to win. I'm also giving away a CVS gift card and bonus prizes in my CVS haul. So definitely click on those 2 videos. I'll link those at the end of this video so you guys can enter to win. So let's get started on this DIY. Okay guys, what you're going to need for this project. I have some lottery tickets here, and I have $5, $3, and $2. And then I have a bunch of dollar lottery tickets, so I'm going to be using these in this gift. I also have here a super cute Merry Christmas little gift, and it is from the Dollar Tree. I have here a super cute plush from the Dollar Tree. I picked this up at the 99-cent only store. Now they do sell boxes at the Dollar Tree. If you wanted to make this a birthday gift, it is completely up to you. You can use a plain box, whatever little box or packaging you have available will definitely work for this gift, but this is the one I chose, and I got this at the 99-cent only store. And of course, they do sell a wide variety of boxes at the Dollar Tree if you do not have a 99-cent only store. I have some LED lights that I'm going to use for a decor. I have some paper straws. Now, if you don't have paper straws, you can definitely use skewers. But these I picked up at Target at 90% off, and I thought it matched really well. And these were only 10 cents that I purchased them off on clearance. So I'm going to utilize these. I have some shreds here that I picked up at the Dollar Tree a while ago, so I'm going to use those. And then I picked up some of these floral foam, and I always have these in stock, and you can find these at the Dollar Tree. You can also find them at the 99-cent only store. Now you're going to need scissors, and you're going to need some Scotch tape, which of course you can find at Dollar Tree or the 99-cent only store. So let's go ahead and get started. So I removed the packaging from the bin here, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to use my little phone pieces, and I'm going to put it so it fits. I'm going to shape it to fit and start working from there. So let me figure out how I'm going to fit this in here, because this is going to be part of my decor. I'm going to use the straws, and you'll see why I have the scissors out for these straws. So let me go ahead and figure this out, measure it to fit. Okay guys, so I took my scissors and I cut up the foam to fit into the bucket. Now I'm going to play around with it, and I'm going to add my shreds into the bucket and play around it and have my shreds looking pretty nice and neat. So let me do that and we'll continue. So my shreds are in place, and I'm going to start by taking my straws here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut points into them. So I'll show you that right now. So all I did was take my scissors and cut points into my paper straws that I got from the Target clearance finds. So I'm going to use these. First, I think I'm going to place where I want my plush to be, how I want it to look, and maybe I won't even use the plush. I'm not 100% sure yet, guys. I'm just playing around with it as we go. So let's continue. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my straws that I cut points into, and I'm going to start taping my lottery tickets to the back of the straws. in the middle, and I'm going to tape them in the back so they stay securely. And I did get my tape at the Dollar Tree as well. So I started skewering the bigger denomination lottery tickets, and I'm just going to start placing them in the back. And as you can see, with the point, it helps it go down. And I'm loving the trim on this, so that's one of the reasons I picked this. This one, and we have this one. I should have put this one behind that one and that one in front. So let me play around with this and we'll continue. So that's what it looks like so far. And then I'm going to take my straws, my paper straws, and I'm going to cut these a little bit shorter so we have some around here, like so. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut them probably to around here and start placing them here so we have like a little, I don't even know what that word is, where you can see them all the way up. I wouldn't say third dimensional, but I think it's coming out really cute. So I'm going to continue with this project and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And like I said, I'm just going to make a point and cut this the paper straws a little bit smaller so they're easier to put into the little container I got here. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I do have some Dollar Tree LED lights that are battery operated. I'm going to put this around here and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. I got to hide it with the shreds and place it around here. But I think even without the lights, it looks absolutely adorable. It's either a perfect Christmas gift for somebody that loves to gamble and loves scratchers, a perfect birthday gift. You can give this to a coworker, a friend, or a family member. And the great thing about it is you can make it any denomination you absolutely want. So mine, I think, is like $27, but you can definitely do all dollar tickets. You can make it at a smaller scale. You can make it at a bigger scale. You can do $20. There's so many opportunities to do so many opportunities and so many denominations on how you can make this gift really easy, really fast, really simple. So let me put the batteries in this light because I do have batteries for this, and I'll show you guys what the finished product looks like. I'm super excited to share it with you guys. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with the lights on. I absolutely love this gift, and I think it's a great gift for either, you can do it for birthday, you can do it for Christmas, you can do it for a coworker, you can do it for a neighbor. There's so many possibilities with this, and the best thing about it is you can make it any denomination you want, any amount you absolutely want. And it's pretty inexpensive. If you decided to just do dollar lottery tickets, you can make it as expensive as you want, or as least expensive as you want. Now, I hope this video was helpful. I hope it gave you guys some more Christmas ideas on how to make some inexpensive Christmas gifts. I absolutely love this. This is going to be for raffle, but I love it. I might actually do one for my aunt and my mom because I know they are huge gamblers and they love lottery tickets. Now, I hope you guys are having a fabulous, blessed day. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos, and I will be talking to you guys real soon. Don't forget to enter those giveaways. Talk to you guys soon. Bye!